Hello everyone, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline, that's me, yeah. And y'all, this is so different. Like, I don't even know how to make a proper intro. Like, if you haven't noticed, your girl has no frontal on. She got no closure on, no lace, no case. Like, this is my natural part. Like, this is my real hair, just a little bit of it, covering up this wig. Like, what? This is a V-part wig, which is basically like your typical U-part, but it's much better because it's much more slimmer. So it's like a V-part instead of a whole U. So you can use way less hair to cover up your, to blend. I can't speak. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this V-part wig from Hurela Hair Company and how I got this style. Like, I am really feeling myself. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, super insecure when it comes to like my forehead, and that's why I really don't wear my natural hair. I don't think I've worn my hair out like this besides in a bun casually since the war of 1987. Like, babes, it's been a minute, okay? It's been quite some time. So it was really nice to just try something new, you know, new year, new me. Actually, I'm kidding. New year, better me. Because, you know, no one else is you. Always be you. Caroline, what? See, this is why I do voiceovers. I'm a rambler. Anyways, let's just get right into the tutorial. Hopping right into it. So like I was saying, this is a no lace V-part wig. It's kind of like a U-part, basically. U-parts and half wigs are making a comeback. Honestly, all the early 2000 natural hair leave-out styles are coming back, and I'm here for it. I was a little bit shy to work with this, but honestly, it was a lot more easier than I thought it would be. And full disclosure, y'all, this is my first time in I don't know, probably 2-ish years actually not doing a hairstyle where my hair is out. I mean, I do wear my hair in a bun sometimes, but that doesn't really count. So this was really great, and I'm just really here for it. Only thing is that once it gets humid, my hair does curl up. So it's something I'll do for non-humid sweaty activities, or just for a cute picture type of thing. Anywho, so this being my first time doing this, I kind of struggled a bit figuring out how much hair I needed to section out. And things, after watching more videos, I feel like you could definitely use a lot less leave out than I did. The less leave out, the better, the less stress will be, and it's just going to be easier to work with. So, play around with different amounts of leave out. But once I figured out how much hair I wanted out, I also left out my edges as well to kind of do a little bit of a flip over look. Maybe if you want to do a ponytail, you could do that because you have some hair left out. To make this much easier, I would suggest that you went ahead and braided the hair that you're gonna section out. I was being lazy and I hate braiding my hair, so I just try to do a messy ponytail. That works too, but the more neater you are, the better the results will be. So once I've had everything parted out the way I wanted to, I went ahead and I cut my baby hairs a little bit. Not my baby hairs, but I cut the front hairs down. I need to trim anyway, so cutting the hairs isn't a big deal. But I just went ahead and put on the wig and try to clip it into the way I wanted it to be parted. There are lots of combs and clips in this unit. It has clips on the part, clips on the back and the sides, so you can get a really secure fit. Also, you can go ahead and use bobby pins to clip any other part that's not feeling it's clipped down. Once I felt like the wig was secured into a way that I wanted it to be, I'm going to go ahead and start, styling my leave out and trying to blend everything together. I'm using a bit of this Chi Silk Infusion Heat Protectant and Shine Spray, spraying that all over my edges and the actual wig itself to kind of just help give my hair some shine and protect it from the heat. I'm going in with my flat iron to, press the hair out a bit. Since this was a kinky straight texture, I didn't even have to straighten the hair to a bone straight silk press type of thing, just enough to kind of have it blend in with the extensions.
You man, on the room, catch my watch, why you want big tip? Yo, one up your man get shift. Turn up the right and left, I don't know. When he asks in the interview room, I don't know. How many gal in the room, I don't know. Is that your gal in my coupe, I don't know. Who got the what, no safety? Lauren, Stacy, Mad Mix, crazy. Who drip up niggas daily? Should I cuff Miss Pence? Give her babies, maybe. 9 boys, crazy. Like big fuck, that's speeding Everton, I heard they got police in There's probably no chef cause he's irrelevant. Free flow, that's me in the element. My young boys who free no evidence, but if only if he anything. Love beef adrenaline. When it's hard to in. Don't think I don't do for that.
And now I'm just going in with my hot comb to kind of help press everything out and make it nice and flat. And y'all, this hot comb is so hot because I always have like lace on my head. I never knew just how hot this hot comb is. Like, child, I was suffering. I was flinching. Anywho, once I've pressed everything out, I'm using this edge booster edge control to help slick my edges and kind of, you know, give me a little swoops like I would my regular installs.
I don't know. When they ask in the interview, I don't know. How many gal in the room, I don't know. Is that a gal in my group, I don't know. Is he sending for me, I don't know. When I'm wearing their self first week, I don't know. When they ask for the fee, let them know that's 1.5 in the headline show. Little nigga, that's millies, not thousands. Stormzy the goal, but they really been doubting. Game offline, I've been chilling in mountains. How about you, bro? Really sell albums. Wait, look, I heard shots, but the shoe don't fit. So I flex for me, will a bit of a trick.
After swooping the hair, I proceeded to cut the ends of it and kind of cut some light layers just to help the curls look really nice and flow together.
Touch my watch, what you want get? Yo, run up your man, get shift. Yo, run up the right end. I don't know. When they ask in the interview, I don't know. How many get in the group, I don't know. Is that a gal in my group, I don't know.
For my curls, I'm using my 1-inch flat iron. If you're watching me, y'all know I always use my flat iron to curl my hair. I just find it more easier, and I don't know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So just using this flat iron to go ahead and create some nice little body wave flat iron curls.
only room for fit. Catch my watch, why you want get dead? Yo, burn up your man, get chef. Burn up the right and left, I don't know. When they ask in the interview room, I don't know. How many gal in the room, I don't know. Is that your gal in my coupe, I don't know. Who got the what, no safety? Lauren, Stacy, Mad Mix, Crazy. Who dip up niggas daily? Should I cuff Miss Pence? Give her babies. Maybe 9 boys, Stacy. Like big up that's speaking Everton, but I heard they got police in. There's probably no check cause he's irrelevant. 3-4 that's speaking element. My young boys who free no evidence, but if only if he knew anything. Love beef adrenaline. And the shoulders running in. Don't think God won't do for that in the trap with a smile of front up 4,000 down to the club. I went to that minute, back this jump. I was broke, back when I had a fix. No, don't fear no for this rap. Jenna, what's good, brother? Just got a drop on both my books. I'm back to different on the door. No pressure. I'm back with a $7 start. I was like, back you want extra, send. I am at only run from Fed. Flash my watch, why you want get dead? Yo, burn up your man, get chef. Yo, burn up the right and left. I don't know. When they ask in the interview room, I don't know. How many gal in the room, I don't know. Is that your gal in my coupe, I don't know. Is he sending for me, I don't know. When I'm playing there, so first week, I don't know. When they ask for the fee, let them know that's 1.5 in the headline show. Little nigga, that's millies, not thousands. Storms in the goal, but they really been doubting. Game off line, I've been chilling in mountains. How about you, bro? Really sell albums. Wait, look, I've got shots for the shoe, don't fit. So flex for me, will a bit of a trick. Come a nigga, that's stupid shit. We all know that I'm stupid rich. Can't stand these knees when they talk in the dream. Can't smart, bro, when I walk in the room. That's big man, the most paid, the most holding. I still get love from all of the goons, like. I am at only room from Fed. Touch my watch, where you want get? Yo, burn up your man, get chef. Yo, burn up the right and left. I don't know. When they ask in the interview room, I don't know. How many get in the room, I don't know. Is that your gal in my coupe, I don't know. Are you man only room for fit? Catch my watch, why you want get dead? Yo, burn up your man, get chef. Burn up the right and left, I don't know.
After curling all of the hair, it's time to go ahead and loosen up these curls. I'm a fan of more brushed out body wave, voluminous type of look. I don't like my curls just like, unbrushed. So I'm going and running my fingers through everything at first to kind of see how I like it. And then once I feel like everything is nice and, finger combed out, I'm going to go ahead and use my brush to brush it out to help give everything a bit more of a sleek, cohesive look. I added some wax and went in gently on a lower heat this time to use my hot comb to help, just press everything together to make it look much more seamless. And just like that, the hair is laid and slayed, and oh my gosh, y'all, if you can't tell, I was feeling the heck out of this look. Like, I was like, what? I didn't even know leave out could look like a frontal. Like, wow, it's shocking, honestly, when you, take a break from doing something, because this is how I used to do my hair all the time back when I was in high school and, middle school, before lace and closures and all that was even a thing. Hey, so hi, I'm back. Intro Caroline is back again, and look at this. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at this big 60. Like, tell me this not look so good. Like, what? I was really nervous to do this wig whenever they reached out to me. I was like, give me a lace. But I was like, it's a new year. And I'm seeing a lot of people just try, more, natural hairstyles. Like, no more lace, basically. I'm seeing a lot of sew-ins, tape-ins. The girls are going back to early 2000s. And honestly, I'm here for it. I like this. I feel so, cute. This is... Forehead is definitely hitting because, we don't want to show her. We still hiding her. Baby steps, okay? But besides that, everything looks so good. I did not know, I can make this look that good. And I really like the texture of the hair. I didn't have to straighten my hair too much for it to blend. But you can definitely try this look out with, curly textures. I've seen people do, straight textures. If you're really good at, straightening your hair out, I definitely suggest trying a straight texture. I just didn't want to put too much heat on my hair. This hot comb scared me, okay? I didn't feel like straightening my hair out too much because, girl, I wasn't trying to do a whole silk press. But if you definitely really good at, straightening your hair or you have a very, nice and silky texture, I feel like this would be really cute with a straight. But, oh my God, this is so pretty. I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You already know the deal. And I'll see you guys in another one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.